Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by using the official copyright registration process because it's the only way to gain full federal remedies. Gather the final video file, any raw footage you own, and clear metadata like creation date and authorship. Next, choose whether to register a single work or a group of short videos. Once selected, it affects fees and scope. Complete the online application form with claimant and author details, then upload the deposited copy. This creates the legal record that you'll rely on later. Once in the ECO system, pick Form TX for audiovisual works and fill every field accurately. Mistakes delay protection. Explain your ownership, author, uploader, transfer history if any, and whether you're claiming new or published work. Make sure the deposited file is the final, high-quality MP4 or original project file because the copy on record matters in disputes. Pay the fee, submit, and retain the application receipt number. This receipt gives you constructive notice while the office processes your claim. After submission, the Copyright Office reviews and issues a certificate when approved. This certificate is what gives you statutory damages and attorney fees in court, so it's indispensable. Once granted, use the registration number for DMCA takedown notices and to demand removal from platforms or to file suit. If your application is refused or flagged, respond quickly. Correct inaccurate metadata, ensure the deposited file matches the claimed work, and resubmit because timely fixes preserve your priority and enforcement options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.